let me show you how we can remove unwanted pages from our Microsoft Word documents. So here I am in my document. Let's take a quick look. I got text on page number 1, and then page number 2 is blank for some reason. Then I got text again, half of the page. Then there's a lot of text on page number 4, page number 5, 6, and then there's a little bit on page number 7. So by default, new pages are added when the text cannot fit on one page and need to flow to next one. Then automatically new page is added. But we got this totally blank page here in the middle. We got also only half text on this page. So how can we push down the text and add pages? Or to reverse that, how can we delete this free space and remove those pages? So there are two main ways. One way of adding a page is to kind of force the text down by adding blank lines with enter, with return. But that's not recommended method. Actually, there's a special tool. If you go to insert, you can see you can insert a page break. That's the tool for breaking a page and adding a new page forcefully. If I click this, everything after this page break is moved to the new page, and now I got one extra page in this document. But I'm supposed to show you how we can get rid of that. Yes, so to do that, go back to home and we need to turn on this little toggle here, show hide. If you click it, now we can see the page break is here. By default it's hidden. If you turn it on here, now I can see the page break, so I can remove it. Like I will remove any other text, just backspace, and the page is gone. Alright, so now let's search for those page breaks. Take a look, here's the page break. And we resolve the problem. We delete this unnecessary page that was completely blank. Alright, so we can now see those page breaks and we can remove them. This one can stay. I want this one. How about the next one? Take a look. We got a mess here. Instead of page breaks, someone used enter, enter, enter multiple times. So we can clean that up and then put a proper page break here. That's better. Alright, so that's how you can add new pages and you can remove pages from your document. Also, if you got so many pages, you can go to view and you can turn on this navigation panel on the left, so you can see all of your pages preview like that, like almost like in PDF document. This can be helpful as well. So remember, just turn on this visibility, show hide, so you can see enters and you can see space bars and of course page breaks. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. See you in the next one.